Why a tiny house? Well, it's something that was really presented to me as this would be a really good idea and this would probably suit you. Moya, my daughter, lives here with Rob and they've got two gorgeous kids who are the main reason I like being where I am. I never imagined I'd be such a doting old biddy, but I am and I love it. I love several things about this house. Well, I love the fact that it's in Moya's backyard, so I'm very close, but we can all keep our distance when we need to. I love lying in the bed there and playing with the kids. I love the lighting, the way Fred's organised it so it can be multi-directional, you can move it about. Very tricky lighting over the kitchen sink, which I would never have thought about. The beautiful colour of the splashback, which matches these posts on the outside, and this just happens to be amongst my favourite colour. The amazing amount of storage under the floor and also in behind the bed. What else do I like about it? I love the timber. I didn't realise how much I'd love it. I love the garden that's all around it, that's only just beginning to grow, but I can imagine what it's going to be like. I like being confined. There's another part of me that wants to be out there, but what better way than this? Like I'm in this very small space, but I look out on an absolutely magnificent view and very spacey. But I absolutely love the fact that it sits so neatly under this tree. It's a beautiful tree and I love it. And I spend a lot of time out here, either by myself or with whoever wants to come and visit me. I really like everything about it. Absolutely. Yes, I'm very happy with it.